Today I'm going to be showing you what happens when you bury your kitchen scraps directly into your garden soil. Guys, welcome back to Green Thumbs Garden. If this is your first time here and you love gardening videos, plant care and all that kind of related stuff, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification button as well so you don't miss a single thing. In a moment I'm going to be showing you what's happened to the kitchen scraps that I've been burying over the last couple of months. It includes a lot of eggshells, kitchen scraps, some shrimp shells and a salmon. We're going to dig this up and see exactly what's happened. So one of the easiest ways of composting is the dig and drop method. You just dig a little hole, stick in your kitchen scraps and then cover it over. If you haven't got a compost bin, don't worry about it, you can start composting right away. Near the end of the video we're going to be talking about some of the things you need to keep in mind with the dig and drop method and also some of the benefits, so make sure you stay tuned. So how do we do it? Step 1. We want to dig around a 25 to 30 centimetre trench. It can be as wide as you like it. Second step, we want to drop in our food scraps and other organic matter, for instance some yard clippings and stuff like that. Third and final step, we just cover over back our soil. And boom, you're finished, just like that. So let's have a look at them scraps that got buried about 2 months ago. So if you remember, this is around where I put my salmon, that big old salmon that were left over. Let's have a look inside there. Oh man, nothing to be seen. But look at that beautiful soil, man. I tell you, before it was a lot drier, a lot dustier, and now this just feels lovely. Nothing there at all, eh? Can you believe that big salmon was buried here? To be honest, I would have expected a head to be left or a bit of bone, but everything is just being completely eaten up by the soil microbes and worms. That's awesome. That is awesome. I would have imagined myself that there would have still been something left over, especially here where that salmon was, but it's all just been eaten up. Bit of eggshell left over, that's the only thing I seem to be finding at the minute. Take a look in here. More eggshells. What's that? A bit of potato started growing? That's just a bulb. Smells a bit like an onion. That's amazing. Nothing left. That's amazing. The only things that are left is there's still a little bit of eggshell there slowly breaking down. I found a garlic clove that had started growing. I'll plant that somewhere else. But and you've just got this lovely feeling spongy soil. Beautiful. Beautiful. What's that there? Oh, that's just a stone. Let's have a dig over there and see how that's looking. Oh wow. I can't wait to get some lettuces planted in here now, and we'll revisit it and we'll see how them lettuces turn out. Let's have a look here. Oh, lots of eggshells there, you can see. Bit of newspaper still yet to break down. Weed, more weeds. Let's have a look. There were a little bit of time difference between burying stuff in this section than the salmon, maybe about a week or two, so maybe we'll find something here. It seems to be them eggshells. Oh no, a bit of potato there, look. Nice bit of potato. Throw him out. Looks like a bit of potato there. See that? Bit of skin left on that potato. But it's just turned to mush. Lovely. You can see that this is a great way to add organic matter directly to your soil, feeding the little soil microbes, insects, worms, and they'll poop all that out after having a giant dinner, and all that poop then is going into your soil, enriching your soil. Man, I can't wait to get some lettuces in here. Bit of paper there, we'll get that back in. I can't get over how lovely this soil feels, man. You can see that there, another bit of scraps there breaking down, turning into soil slowly. Oh man, when you mix that with a bit of soil like that, fantastic. If you could have only been here to feel this soil before, and you'd be surprised on how much it's improved just adding kitchen scraps directly into that soil. Wow, that is fantastic. Oh, it's like the nicest soil I've ever felt. So here's some things you want to keep in mind when using the dig and drop method. First thing, you want to dig it deep enough, 25 to 30 centimeters down, so that dogs and rats don't sniff it out and dig it all back up. Second thing, you don't want to overload your soil with too many scraps. What you've seen in that demonstration I just did is about right. I wouldn't go beyond that. Third thing, cat poo, human poo, dog poo, things like that, leave it out, man. You don't want to stick that stuff in there. Fourth thing, diseased plant trimmings, anything what's got a disease or heavily with pests, leave it out, throw it on your bonfire. Guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to share this video with your friends if you want to help me out and you found it interesting. Also give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments any gardening tips that you find handy. Share it with the community so we can all learn together. Also, I've started a new channel with a friend. He's a chef called The Snack Guys. We talk about snacks and food, a foodie channel. I think you might find it really interesting. It'd be really awesome to have you guys come and join us there as well and tell us what you think of the channel as we develop it. Guys, see you later.